left or back right?
Right. Back right.
Back row. No, I'm saying I got room on the restraint.
Nice, a little bit.
Also, I think we're on a smooth train.
Yeah,
I think because we're
I
on the
think.
black wheel.
Der Versuch ist gestanden, Damen und Herren.
Do you know which train we got, by the way?
I'm not sure. But this one's running so well.
Yeah.
Oh, all my rides on this ride have been glass smooth. I don't get what anyone says about like
I'm
this
pretty sure
stuff.
it's not straight six though. It's not the summer wheel.
Yeah. I'm looking at the track. Yeah, there we go. That final corkscrew feels like a B&M corkscrew.
Yeah.
Almost. Yeah. That's fabulous.
It's so good.
Oh, this is so
I'm guessing
great.
you still prefer the front though.
Maybe. I'm not sure actually. I don't know anymore. That was incredible.
Yeah, it's great.
I guess the shot that I had on my very first ride can never ever be recreated.
Oh
Yeah.
Whereas I almost got that level of shock in the back row just now. So yeah, that was incredible. Because I kind of got used to the front row by my third ride, but yeah.